Good afternoon. I'm George Latimer, Westchester County Executive. Today is Wednesday, November 1st, and I'm here with Deputy County Executive Ken Jenkins, our Director of Operations, Joan McDonald, and our Deputy Director of Operations, Emily Saltzman. When we have our weekly 2 o'clock updates on Mondays, I generally say if we have any other important information to share, we will do that over the course of the week, and this is one of those moments. One of our responsibilities as the executives for Westchester County government is to negotiate with the various unions that represent part of our workforce. There are 8 major unions that represent quite a lot of our workforce, and we have contracts that extend to cover not only their salaries but other elements of their employment with us. And we try very hard to make sure that those contracts are up to date and that they are also financially affordable within the parameters of our county budget. Heretofore this year, we have completed negotiations and now have in effect contracts that cover us through the end of this year and into future years for our Civil Service Employee Association, CSEA, our nurses, New York State Nurses Association, Teamsters, who represent certain employees as well in our government, and then also our county police officers and superior officers in the county PBA and superior PBA. All of those contracts are in place through the end of 2023, and in some cases go to some of the future years. Where we have them just through the end of this year, we have future negotiations ahead of us. We're very happy today to announce that we've completed negotiations with another one of those unions, the District Attorney's Investigators, PBA. Those investigators are the individuals that collect information and evidence that helps our district attorney, Mimi Rocha, prosecute cases of wrongdoing. And their work is essential to the work of criminal justice through our district attorney's office. With the leadership of Eddie O'Rourke, who heads that union, we were able to close contracts that take the arrangements with that union through the end of 2024. We have annual increases of 3%, 3%, 2%, 2%, and 2.75% over the course of 5 years. And all of these arrangements are budgeted within our existing county budget, so they are fundable, affordable, and they represent the end of a process of negotiation of mutual agreement which has been ratified by the union and now will go before the Board of Legislators for their final action. I expect we'll have a more formal announcement about this next week when all of the contracts have been signed, and we can do that in a way that really reflects the fact that we have moved progress in this particular area. We've also made some significant progress with 2 remaining unions for which there are a number of years that we have to close the contracts for. Our Correction Officers Benevolent Association, COBA, and our Superior Officers Association, also correction officials. Together, they represent the workforce that we have in our Department of Corrections, where we have our county jail and other correctional facilities. We have worked closely, and we want to thank the work and negotiations of the union leader for the Superior Officers Association, Pete DiChiara, and for the COBA officers, Neil Pallone. We have some work to do going forward, but we hope that we'll be able to make an announcement next week in conjunction with those 2 unions that will show the progress that we have made. All of these different individuals who work for the county government provide service to us that's essential. We provide public safety through our police officers, our correction officers, our investigators, also our probation officers who work under the CSEA banner in the Department of Probation. Their hard work secures your safety every day, and our obligation to treat our workforce properly is part of that commitment that we make as a county government. As we go forward in the next few days, we'll keep you updated on where we are with the remaining contracts, but we hope it gives you a sense that every single day, not just on the Monday updates, we're trying to do those things that we've been responsible to do as officials, and hopefully that it gives you that sense and confidence that Westchester County is moving forward. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.